$65 billion. That's how much Superstorm Sandy cost the United States in damages. $110 million. That's how much it cost Hoboken. Electricity and transportation systems were down, businesses suffered, families were displaced. $82 million. That's how much it would cost to protect Hoboken from future flooding events. $82 million versus the $110 million damage cost from Sandy, a difference of $28 million. Good morning. My name is Laura Lemke, and I am here with the Interactive Floodwall team, who's designed a protective storm surge barrier for Hoboken. Nearly 80% of Hoboken is located in a flood zone, and property owners pay $6 million in premiums, the highest in Hudson County. Sea levels are expected to rise 2 feet in the next 100 years, and the risk of flooding will increase, along with insurance rates. Implementing our design will lower these rates, and property values are expected to increase. Our design is made up of a series of barriers, including permanent, temporary, and passive flood walls. Protection is provided against the 100-year storm and the 500-year storm in more critical locations. The restriction of waterfront views is limited through the use of innovative solutions. Elevated walkways provide a natural barrier, temporary walls are only in place during a storm, and passive walls rise automatically during flood events. Routine flooding due to rainfall is addressed through the use of pumps and retention tanks. Unlike others, our system uses a combination of solutions, specially chosen in place to meet the community's specific needs. A flood model was used to evaluate the effectiveness of this design. A complete system for Hoboken would total $82 million, paying for itself after just one major flooding event. Sandy alone had cost Hoboken $110 million, and the next 100-year storm is projected to cost $800 million. Had this design been in place a few years ago, Hoboken would have been saved from all the hardships it experienced during Sandy. Thank you.
And comment, Jacqueline.
Since this is just a comment, I like the fact that you incorporated multiple redundancy in the forms of protection, because I think a lot of towns relied on one form of storm protection, and I think the fact that you're saying that there's multiple forms, temporary and permanent, I think that that was forward thinking on your part.
All right, so vote on presentation. Got him, yeah. And vote on project impact. Leaves the 10 right up. I like that.